Freelancing in 2025 isn't just a trend, it's a career revolution. Around the world, millions of people are ditching traditional 9-to-5 jobs in favor of a lifestyle that gives them freedom, flexibility, and the ability to earn from anywhere. But while the idea sounds exciting, most people still wonder, how exactly do you start freelancing and actually make money from it? The first step is simple. You need a skill. In 2025, clients are paying for solutions, not degrees. Whether it's writing, designing, editing videos, building websites, managing social media, translating, or helping businesses with admin tasks, there's a freelance job for every talent. You don't need to be an expert from day one. You just need to be willing to learn, improve, and deliver real value. So, how do you learn a skill that can help you make money? Start online. Today, platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and even TikTok offer thousands of free or affordable tutorials that teach you everything from copywriting to coding. For example, if you're interested in video editing, start practicing with tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere. If you like writing, follow blogs, read newsletters, and practice writing daily. Once you've learned the basics, your next goal is to build a portfolio. Think of your portfolio as your resume, but way more powerful. If you're a writer, publish articles on Medium or LinkedIn. If you're into web development, build sample websites and showcase them. Even without paid clients, you can still build proof of your skills by creating sample work. With your skills and portfolio ready, it's time to find freelance work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal, and People Per Hour connect you with clients across the globe. Sign up, create a strong profile, upload your portfolio, and start bidding on jobs. Yes, it's competitive, but those who stay consistent eventually win. On the other hand, direct outreach is where you contact potential clients directly. For example, you can use LinkedIn to find startups, coaches, or creators who may need help. Then message them with a short pitch that offers value. Don't say, "Hey, I'm a freelancer, do you need help?" Instead, say, "Hi, I noticed your website loads slowly on mobile. I'm a web developer and I'd love to send a free report and fix suggestions." That's how you grab attention. One of the biggest myths in freelancing is that you need to work for free at the beginning. The truth is, you can offer free samples but still charge for projects. And once you get your first paying client, use that experience to improve your confidence, testimonials, and pricing. Freelance writing jobs can pay anywhere from $10 to $100 per article, depending on your experience. Video editors charge $20 to $50 an hour. Web developers and designers often make $1,000 plus per website. Virtual assistants, social media managers, and even proofreaders can earn solid part-time or full-time income. The more skilled and niche you are, the more you can charge. Want to scale your earnings faster? Don't just be a graphic designer. Be a graphic designer for real estate agents or logo designer for fitness coaches. Specific services solve specific problems, and that's where clients are willing to pay more. When you niche down, you become a specialist, and specialists always earn more than generalists. Another way to grow is by improving how you communicate. Respond to clients quickly, set clear expectations, and never overpromise. Respect deadlines, ask questions, and provide progress updates. Clients remember good communication more than they remember flashy portfolios. Also, stay updated. 2025 is a fast-moving year. New AI tools are emerging every month, and they can either help you or replace you. So, stay sharp. Use tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion, Canva, and Trello to deliver faster and better work. If you're not using AI to improve your freelancing, you're already behind. Many freelancers also make the mistake of working too much and charging too little. Don't do that. Start small, but increase your rates every few months as your experience grows. Also, try to work on long-term contracts instead of one-time projects. A $500 one-time job is nice, but a $500 monthly retainer for 6 months? That's where real stability comes in. You might ask, what if I'm shy or introverted? Freelancing is perfect for introverts. Most work is remote, written, and independent. You can build your entire freelance career behind your screen without ever having to show your face on Zoom. What really matters is results, and those speak louder than personality. Still wondering if this path is for you? Let's be honest, freelancing is not easy. Many freelancers who started in 2020 or 2021 are now running six-figure businesses. Some are creating digital products, building teams, or launching their own agencies. The journey is not the same for everyone, but the first step is always the same. Start now. In 2025, remote work is booming. Startups are outsourcing more than ever, and companies care more about skills than degrees. That means the opportunity is wide open, and you don't need permission to start. So, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Learn a skill. Create your portfolio. Show up every day. Be patient. Freelancing isn't just about money. It's about building a life where you control your time, your income, and your future. So, what are you waiting for?